Here are 3 things that you can do in a crescent pose. But before we start, you're going to make sure that you fold a towel or a yoga mat to support your back knee. So you're going to place it here and then prepare 2 yoga blocks. Or you can use 2 water bottles of the same height. So the first one is you're going to come into a lunge. Say I'm going to lunge my right foot forward. And then you can choose to do a low lunge here. And then relax your back ankle. I'm going to place the back of your left foot down onto the mat and adjust the position of your arms here so they're supportive of this posture. And then you're gonna, and then you're gonna lean your weight forward, pushing through the hands, draw the belly in, and lift the back knee off the mat. You can either stay here or sink your hips down and forward, squeezing your shoulder blades, pushing your chest forward and up, relax your neck, lifting your chin slightly up towards the ceiling. Stay here for about 5 to 8 breaths, and probably 5 would be the best. And slowly exhale, drop the left knee, and then release. Okay. The second one is a twist. So you're going to keep your left hand on the block and the right hand at your waist. So you can inhale, pushing through the left hand again, gently twist to the right side first. Good. Remember to activate your back to deepen the twist. You want to push the left arm, push the block with your left hand, drawing the belly in. Just free the space on the right side of your body. And maybe you want to sink your hips down and forward, keeping the twist. You can either stay here or bend the back leg, grab the foot, deepen the twist if you can, and if you want to deepen the stretch for your left quad, try bringing the left foot close to your left buttock. Relax your neck, looking over the right shoulder and down towards your left toes, and see if you need pedicure. And then slowly release it. Come back to the center. The third one is a lizard pose. So this one, you might need 2 blocks, or you can just place your elbows onto the floor. So I'm just going to place 2 blocks here, rest my elbows, and then sink my hips down to a lizard pose. So again, you can either stay here or flip the right foot open to let the right hip roll out to the sides. And be very careful that you don't lean too much to the left leg and the weight goes to the little toe. So you want to bring the weight back to the center so the weight is equal among all 5 toes. Just try to spread those toes out and claw the mat with your toenails like you're Wolverine in a lizard pose. And then lift your chest, squeeze your shoulder blades. Just feel the sensation of any part of your body that's calling for you. Yeah. The lizard. And slowly to release, place your palms back onto the block. Very gently shift the weight back. You can take a moment here and do a butt wiggle. And then tuck your back toes. Take the right leg back. You can do a quick downward facing dog. You can walk the dog this couple of times, oscillate your neck, and then come back to a hero pose before you repeat the second side. There you go, 3 things that you can do in a crescent pose. Happy practicing. Namaste.